Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to watch Netflix offline. So first of all, just go ahead to your app, so Google Play, double check if your Netflix app needs to be updated so you can catch up with the newest updates and follow along the steps. Now what I'm gonna do, let's jump right into it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up my browser. Now if I wanted to watch Netflix offline, you need to download the episodes or the movies that you are currently watching, right? Open up your Netflix app, browse all the TV shows and movies available for download, iPhone, iPad, Android, or Fire devices. Tap My Netflix and then downloads and see what you can download. And then select a TV show or a movie that you want to download onto your device. For movies, click download. So if you want a quick demonstration, you're going to be able to go ahead to a specific show. For example, let's say The Umbrella Academy, and then you're gonna be able to see under the play button, you're gonna be able to see a download button, and you're gonna be able to watch the episode offline without needing to actually access the internet, right? Same goes for other shows like Stranger Things, right? You're gonna be able to see right here, chapter 1. You're gonna be able to see next to it like a download button. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.